In a coastal town, a student started a tiny repair cafe, turning unused electronics into working gear, matching volunteers with neighbors in need. When waste piled up, she launched a platform linking local fixers with schools and clinics, delivering impact with slim margins. Investors noticed the community footprint and funded a scalable toolkit that teaches repair skills across regional workshops. The movement grew into a certified repair network that cut municipal waste and created steady local jobs. Today, the nonprofit sustains itself through microdonations and partnerships with makerspaces.